Hello everybody, today we're gonna see how to add ElevenLabs voice to CapCut. First, you should be logged into your ElevenLabs account. After that, you should click on text to speech. Enter the text here, choose the voice and click on generate speech. After a few seconds, you will get your voice ready to be added to CapCut. Download the voice clicking on this icon, then go to CapCut. After that, you should click on media, then click on upload. Upload file and select the downloaded AI voice. After a few seconds, it uploaded successfully. You should click on it, drag and drop until it goes green. And yeah, now your AI voice from ElevenLabs has been added successfully to CapCut.
Wow, the weather today is absolutely amazing.
If you like this tutorial, please like the video, subscribe to the channel, and peace.